Hey guys, welcome to Tag Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your Instagram password very easily. Let's go to Instagram first. You can see your profile icon in the lower right corner. Click on the profile icon. After clicking on, you can see three dash icon in the top right corner. Click on the three dash icon. Here you can see settings option, the very first one. Click on settings. After clicking on settings, you can see security options in the middle. Click on security. Here you can see password, the very first one. Click on password. After clicking on password, you can see current password, new password and re-enter new password option. Guys, you need to know your current password in order to change your password. I'm putting my passwords. Hold a second. After putting everything, you need to click on the top right corner blue icon. Guys, here you can see my password has changed. This is how you can change your Instagram password. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.